How to make ice candy. We have here a hot boiling water. We're gonna need a cornstarch. We're gonna need a small bowl, put water in it, and mix our cornstarch. We have here a condensed milk. We're gonna use 2 condensed milk, 1 can of evap milk, hot water with cornstarch on it. Now we're gonna add an evap milk into the hot water with cornstarch. We're just gonna pour it there. Next is the condensed milk. So we're just gonna pour it over there. Like we're gonna use 2 cans of condensed milk here. Condensed milk is kind of very sticky, so my husband helping me pouring this condensed milk right here, and I'm the one filming it. Okay, we gotta scrape till the can is clean, and we're gonna add another one, which is the second can. Alright, you guys, in this process, we're gonna be using a 0 sugar Tang sachet. We're gonna add it together into the measuring cup. As you can see, I already add some little in this pan, and then we're gonna add another one. That's the latest one we did earlier, and we're gonna put it there, mix it, and let it boil, and that's it. We're gonna, after it's boiling, we're gonna put it in the ice candy plastic. So, alright, you guys. Oh, geez, my kids can't wait to eat them. Alright, so here is our ice candy. We're gonna wait like 8 hours till this ice candy is frost, and then we're ready to eat it. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe on my channel, and comment down below what you want me to do next. And thank you guys. See you. Bye bye.